you know everything about me. So warm and free, and you know everything about me. You know everything about, you know everything about me. You know everything about, you know everything about me. You know everything about, you know everything about me. You know everything about, you know everything about.
Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. I missed you all. Welcome back, welcome back. How y'all been? Good. Great. Hope you all are having a great day today. So if you are new to my channel, please take this time to hit the subscribe button if you like what you see when you get done at the end of the video, because you're going to watch the end of the video, right? Okay, so good. Now that we have that agreement, if you like what you see, please hit the subscribe button. Please like this video and comment, you guys. I love when you all tell me your thoughts and opinions on my videos. I appreciate it so much. It helps to make me a better person. So thank you so much for that. Now, I don't want to talk too much because I don't want to bore y'all. Let's get into this video. All right, so today, y'all, we are going to be doing my Glam dining room tour. We already did the living room tour. Shameless plug, if you haven't seen my living room tour, go ahead and check that out. All right, so we're going to be doing my dining room tour today. If you've seen my living room, then you will know that my colors are black, white, and gold. So I just transitioned that into my dining room because y'all, I don't have time to be playing. I like things to be cohesive, and so that's why I did my dining room and my living room the same color, because they're close to one another. So without further ado, this is my dining room set. I got my dining room table from Wayfair, and I'm gonna be 100% honest with you all. I'm over glass. It's too hard to keep it clean. I have 2 kids and a boyfriend who is like my child, and so therefore they can never keep the table clean. So I'll probably, when we move, we'll be doing like a wood or something like that. I don't know, you guys, but I don't like glass. Anywho, my chairs are from the at-home store, as well as the bench that you guys are seeing is from the at-home store. And then that rug is just a regular schmegular shag rug from Walmart. I got it for less than $100, and it just works well for in here, so I'm gonna stick with it until I want something different. And then I'm gonna come a little bit closer so that you can see those orchids on the table are from Burlington. I think they were $20 a piece. They weren't that expensive. And then this gold circle is from Z Gallery. I got it when my store was going out of business where I live. And you guys, I used to have my table all decorated and with plates and silverware and all that stuff, and I got tired of that. So that's what I have now, and I like it. It's simple and straight to the point. Now over there, those are my curtains. The curtains are from Target, and then the curtain rack is from Burlington. And then on this wall, I just have 2 of the Z Gallery sconces that match the circular piece that's on the table. And then those pictures, you guys, I actually made those. They're just Mod Podge, paint, and glitter. That's it. And the picture frames I got from Hobby Lobby, and I actually got both of the picture frames for $4.99 a piece, because one of them was missing the glass and then the other has a small chip in the side, so I got it for $4.99. So that was good. I'm like the bargain queen. That love sign I got from Target, and then those cloches came from Z Gallery, and inside of it I just have that vase I got from TJ Maxx, and then those little orbs I have some of those in my living room as well. They came from Ross. And of course I have my candle lit. It is white gardenia from Bath and Body Works. So that's that. And then I have these flowers and this vase. This vase was gifted to me from my mom. And those flowers I've had for forever. That's why they look dingy. Oh gosh, I need to change those. But I've had those flowers for forever, like literally years and years and years. And then I just have these mirror candle holders, which I got from Burlington. And these candles came from Ross during the holiday season. And then on this side, I just have another one of those sconces. So I'm gonna step back so you guys can see that. And now everything that I have is sitting on this buffet that I got from Wayfair. It's a black mirrored buffet, and I got that from Wayfair. Most of my furniture came from Wayfair. You will notice that. And all of these are actually functional. They open, and I have stuff in there. I basically store like my glassware, cups and things like that in there. I have my gold silverware that I use during the holidays in there. What's in here? I don't know. Oh, that's a bunch of junk. Plates and all that stuff in there. And the same. Lemons and trays and all that good stuff that I have in there. So that's what's in that one. All right, and then we're going to move over to my bar cart. All right, so let me step back so you can get the full picture, guys. So that's my bar cart area. All right, and I got this picture. Everyone loves this picture, and I do too. I got it from Burlington. I really, really do love this picture. I can't tell if the lighting is off. If it is, I apologize. But I got this from Burlington. I love, love, love this picture. It's so adorable. And then on the top of my bar cart, I just have these bottles. I got these bottles from the at-home store. They were on clearance. I have this tray that I got from Ross. I got that on clearance as well. And then this is just the same vase that's over there underneath my cloche, which came from TJ Maxx. And then behind it, I just have some black candles and gold candlestick holders that I got from Burlington. The candlesticks came from Hobby Lobby. And then I just have a black and gold sparkle towel that I got. I think I got the towel from Home Goods. So that's the first row. And then on the second row, I just have a tray that was gifted to me with my initial on there, and some glasses that I got from Ross, and those little champagne statues. I don't know where I got those from. I can't remember. I want to say Ross. And then on the last level, I just have my glitter, well no, it's not glitter, rhinestone bucket that I got from Ross, along with some glitter coasters in there and a bottle of wine that's in a fur little holder that I got from Ross in my martini shaker. And then I have these gold glasses that I got from, where did I get these from? From from Home Goods. They were on clearance. They were $2 a piece. So I got those. And that's pretty much it, you guys. This is my dining room. That's the rug. And those are the chairs. The chairs are velvet, as well as the bench. So that is my dining room. Nothing spectacular. It's simple, but it works for me. I love it. I'm gonna give you guys another once over. And then as you can see, that's my living room right there. So you see they're right off of each other. So yeah. So that is my dining room, guys. I hope that you enjoyed. If you have any questions, please leave them below in the comment section. And again, I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for all of your support. I appreciate it. I can't express my gratitude enough. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you guys so much. I will see you all in the next video.